Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability exercise 5.5. Okay, now explain logarithmic differentiation. So this is based on exercise 5.5 there. Okay, let us take y is equal to f of x equal to u of x power v of x. Okay, this is in the form of variable power variable. Okay, now applying logarithm on both sides. Applying logarithms on both sides. So log f of x equal to log of u of x power v of x. Okay, we have one logarithm property, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. N into log m. So this is nothing but log f of x is equal to v of x into log f of x. So log u of x, log u of x. Okay, v of x into log u of x. Okay, by using chain rule, we have to find f dash x. Okay, this is the process. In this f of x and u of x both are positive, where f of x and u of x always must be positive, because log f of x and log u of x, logarithm functions always positive. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log f of x, so d by dx of log f of x equal to, so differentiation of v of x into log u of x. Okay, so differentiation of log f of x is 1 by f of x into differentiation of f of x is f dash x. This will be, so by using uv formula, v into v of x into differentiation of log of u of x plus log of u of x into differentiation of v of x. Okay, so let us do cross product. F dash x is equal to f of x times of v of x into, so differentiation of log u of x, this will be 1 by u of x into, so differentiation of u of x is u dash x plus log of u of x into differentiation of v of x is v dash x. So this is the process. Okay, this is the process of logarithmic differentiation. Okay, now explain example 31. This is the most important. Y is equal to a to the power x, then find out dy by dx. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to a to the power x. So taking logarithm on both sides. So log y is equal to log of a to the power x. The log of a to the power x is nothing but x log a, x into log a. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Okay, so differentiation of, so d by dx of log y is equal to, in this log a constant right outside, into d by dx of x. So differentiation of log y, 1 by y into differentiation of y is dy by dx into dy by dx. So log a into, so dx get cancelled. Okay, let us do cross product. Dy by dx, we have y times of log a, where y place we should write a power x. So what is y? From statement y value a to the power x. So a to the power x into log a. This is derivative of a to the power x into log a. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is example 32. If y is equal to x to the power sin x, then find out dy by dx. Okay. This is in the form of variable power variable. So what is the working rule? Taking logarithm on both sides. Y is equal to x to the power sin x. Now applying logarithms on both sides. So log y is equal to log of x to the power sin x. Okay. We have log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. We should apply in that formula. This will be sin x into log x. This sin x into log x. Okay. So now applying differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of log y. So d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of sin x into log x. Okay. So by using UV formula, differentiation of log y, we get 1 by y, but y differentiation, derivative of y with respect to x into dy by dx. What is the UV formula? U into derivative of v, sin x into differentiation of log x plus v into differentiation of u. So log x into differentiation of sin x. Okay. So let us do cross product. Dy by dx is equal to y times of sin x into differentiation of log x. This will be 1 by x. Log x into differentiation of sin x would be cos x. Okay. In the place of y, we should write x to the power sin x. Sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Example 30. If y value given, then find out dy by dx. What is given? Root function is given. So now taking logarithm on both sides. Logarithms on both sides. So log y is equal to, so log of, write this value, x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. This is root under. Root means power 1 by 2. Okay. We have same formula, log m to the power n. This formula is n into log m. Log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. We should apply in that formula. This 1 by 2 times of this logarithm value. So log y is equal to, so 1 by 2 times of this log value. Log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. We have log a by b formula. Log a minus log b. So log of a by b. This will be log a minus log b. Okay. So log y is equal to 1 by 2 times of, so let us take a, x minus 3 and into x square plus 4, and b is 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Log a by b. We have formula log a minus log b. So log of this numerator value, x minus 3 into x square plus 4, log a minus log b. Log denominator value. Okay. This is log y is equal to 1 by 2 times of, so in this we should applying log AB formula, log x minus 3 into x square plus 4, log AB. Log AB formula, we have log A plus log B. Log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4. Okay, log AB, log A plus log B. Write this as it is. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, now we got it log y value. Now applying derivative on both sides. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log y. Differentiation of log y 1 by y into differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx. 1 by 2 times of differentiation of log x minus 3. 1 by x minus 3. But derivative of x minus 3 into 1. Okay. So differentiation of log x square plus 4. 1 by x square plus 4 into differentiation of x square 2x and 4 derivative 0. Okay. By using chain rule. In this one, differentiation of log function 1 by function 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into differentiation of 3 constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 4x is 4. Okay. Let us do cross product. Dy by dx is equal to y times of y by 2 times of 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus this value 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. In the place of y, we substitute from statement value. What is the statement value? 1 by 2 times of under root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. This is y value into write as it is. 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus of 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is the final answer. Let us start exercise 5.5. Now explain question number 1. So y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Then find out dy by dx. Okay. So two methods are there. First method is VBW method. Second method is applying logarithm on both sides. So applying logarithms on both sides. So log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So therefore log y is equal to, we have log a, b, c. Log a, b, c formula log a plus log b plus log c. Okay. So log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Okay. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of log y 1 by y into differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx. This is equal to differentiation of log cos x. Differentiation of log cos x is 1 by cos x. The differentiation of log x formula, we have differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Differentiation of log cos x is 1 by cos x into, so differentiation of cos x, okay, by using chain rule, minus sin x. Differentiation of log cos 2x 1 by cos 2x into, okay, differentiation of cos 2x we get minus sin 2x into this 2x, differentiation of 2x is into 2 plus differentiation of log cos 3x 1 by cos 3x into, so differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. 3x, differentiation of 3x is 3. Okay. So let us do cross product. Dy by dx is equal to y times of, in this one minus 1 take out common. So minus y times of, this is tan x. This is 2 times of sin 2x by cos 2x tan 2x. 2 tan 2x. This is 3 times of sin 3x by cos 3x tan 3x. Okay. Minus of, so what is y? From statement cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Right, y relation cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So this is from 5.5 exercise. So y is equal to under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, we have to find dy by dx. How can we solve this problem? Y is equal to, okay, now applying logarithm on both sides. So log y is equal to log of, write this value, x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 power 1 by 2. Okay, this root means power 1 by 2. We have on this formula log of m to the power n is equal to n into log m. We should apply that formula. So log y is equal to 1 by 2 times of log of, we have log a by b formula. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so log this numerator value minus log denominator value. So log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 log a minus log b. Log x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, so therefore log y is equal to 1 by 2 times of, we should apply log AB formula, log x minus 1 into x minus 2, log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. Okay, in this log y, we should apply log ABC formula, log A plus log B plus log C, log x minus 3 plus log x minus 4 plus log x minus 5. Okay, right, log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus of, okay, we should apply log ABC formula, log x minus 3 plus log x minus 4 plus log x minus 5. Okay, now this will be 1 by 2 times of log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. Okay, this minus multiply with each and every term, minus of minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Okay, okay, we got it, this value. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log y with respect to x, 1 by y into differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx, of times of differentiation of log x minus 1, we have 1 by x minus 1, log x minus 2 differentiation 1 by x minus 2, log of x minus 3 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 4, 1 by x minus 5. Okay, so let us do cross product. Dy by dx will be y by 2 into this total value, 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 2, minus 1 by x minus 3, minus 1 by x minus 4, 1 by x minus 5. Okay, in the place of y, we should write 1 by 2 into under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, this is from statement y value. So remaining write as it is. 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 4, minus 1 by x minus 5. Okay, so this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. So y is equal to log x power cos x, then find out dy by dx. Okay, This is in the form of variable power variable, taking logarithm on both sides. So log y is equal to log of log x power cos x. Okay. So log y is equal to, we have one formula log m to the power n. This is equal n into log m. We should applying that formula cos x into log of log x. This cos x into log of log x. So now applying differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log y. Okay, differentiation of log y, 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, so by using UV formula. So differentiation of cos x into log of log x. Okay. So what is the UV formula? U into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Okay. Okay, let us do cross product. Dy by dx is equal to y times of cos x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of cos x, formula minus sin x. Okay. In the place of y, we should write log x power cos x into, okay, from statement this value log x power cos x. This write as it is cos x by x log x. So plus into minus minus sin x into log of log x. Sin x into log of log x. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. So y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x, then find out dy by dx. So this is a very important problem. Okay. So let us take x power x is equal to u and 2 power sin x is v. So let us take x power x equal to u and v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. Okay. Therefore y is equal to u minus v. Our target is dy by dx. Now applying differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx equal to differentiation of u du by dx minus this value differentiation of v, we get dv by dx. Okay, let us take first equation. This is first we have to find du by dx as well as dv by dx. So du by dx is first our target. So what is given u value? X to the power x. Okay. Okay. Applying logarithm on both sides. So log u is equal to log of x to the power x. So log x to the power x is nothing but x into log x. Okay. Okay, we got it. Log u is equal to x log x. So now applying differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of log u 1 by u and differentiation of u with respect to x, we get du by dx. Okay, by using UV formula, u into x into differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of x. Okay, let us do cross product. Du by dx is equal to u times of x into derivative of log x, we get 1 by x. Log x into differentiation of x 1. In the place of u, we should write x power x into 1 plus log x. This is, so this is du by dx value. But what is v? 2 to the power sin x v value. So now dv by dx is equal to differentiation of 2 power sin x. This is in the form of differentiation of a to the power x. Differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. Differentiation of 2 to the power sin x is, we get differentiation of 2 to the power sin x, 2 to the power sin x into log 2 into differentiation of sin x is into right cos x. This is the in the form of a power x into log a, 2 power sin x into log 2. So by using chain rule, derivative of sin x is right into cos x. Okay, this is dv by dx. Okay, from equation 1, dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, now substitute in this one, du by dx value, we got x power x into 1 plus log x minus this value. Okay, 2 power sin x into 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. So y value given, then find out dy by dx. Okay, now applying logarithms on both sides. So log y is equal to log of x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 power 4. Okay, we have log ABC formula, log a plus log b plus log c. Okay, log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 power 4. This is equal to log y. We have formula log m to the power n. This will be n into log m. N into log m. So this is log y is equal to log x plus 3 whole square, 2 log x plus 3. This will be 3 log x plus 4. Okay, this will be 4 log x plus 5. Okay, so now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log y, we get 1 by y dy by dx, 2 constant. Differentiation of log x plus 3, 1 by x plus 3, 3 times of this differentiation 1 by x plus 4, 4 times of differentiation of log x plus 5, 1 by x plus 5. Okay, so let us do cross product. Dy by dx is equal to y times of 2 by x plus 3, 3 by x plus 4, 4 by x plus 5. Okay, in the place of y, we should write statement. What is the statement? X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 power 4 into. So let us do LCM. What is the LCM? X plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5. Okay, this will be 2 times of x plus 4, x plus 5, 3 times of x plus 3 into x plus 5, 4 times of x plus 3 into x plus 4. Okay. Now, in this one x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 get cancelled. 1 value. So remaining 1 x plus 3 into 1 x plus 4 get cancelled, x plus 4 whole square. 1 x plus 5 get cancelled, x plus 5 whole cube. Okay. First 2 times of, we should multiply these two factors, x square plus 9x plus 20. 3 times of this value, x square plus 8x plus 15 plus 4 times of x square plus 7x plus 12. Okay. Now x plus 3 whole square, x plus 3 into x plus 4 whole square into x plus 5 whole cube. Okay. 2x square plus 3x square plus 4x square, 9x square. 2 9s 18 plus 24 plus 28. Okay, 70x. Okay, 20 is 40 plus 45 plus 12 4 is 48. This is total 133. Okay, this is final answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.